Welcome to Cooking at Home with Luca. I am your host, Luca. Before we get started on today, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, so you get alerted to when I upload new, fun, exciting, delicious meals and desserts that you can share with your family and friends. Now, what we're going to make today is going to be a little bit different. I've had already 2 episodes where I've made a big giant Nutella cookie and some homemade vanilla gelato. If you haven't seen them, check it out. They are delicious. But like I said, we're going to change it up a bit. We are going to do a muffin, a very low carb muffin. So for the individual and people that like to eat tasty, wonderful muffins, but don't want all the carbs and sugars associated with it, today's your lucky day because we are going to make this wonderful treat. It is delicious, healthy, beautiful. So let's get started. What we're going to need and what we're going to use to make this is some almond flour. We're going to have some coconut flour as well, baking soda, baking powder, 3 eggs. I have this Splenda keto sugar, which is the substitute for your regular granulated sugar. It's 0 calories, 0 carbs, beautiful, fantastic. Almost dropped that. Let me say it here. Unsweetened, no sugar, almond milk. We have butter, a little dash of cinnamon. I love to throw a little dash of cinnamon. And my berries of choice, and you can use whatever berries you want to make the muffins. I'm gonna go with a combination of blueberry, raspberry. So if you're excited, like I am, let's get cooking, let's get rolling. All right, now that we got our muffins set in our tray, they're ready to go into the oven. I've preheated the oven to 350 degrees, middle rack where we're gonna put them at, and we're gonna bake it for about 23 minutes. You're not gonna know, you'll know that they're ready. Slide a toothpick into the center, it comes out and it's clean. They're good to eat. And we'll be back with our finished product. There you have it, low carb blueberry raspberry muffins a la Luca. Great, delicious taste without feeling guilty. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, so you get alerted when I upload new and exciting recipes just like this one. Till next time, tutta tavola a mangiare. Ciao.